earning $7 in free PayPal money again and again in this video. How awesome is that? I will show you exactly how to do that, and I'm going to present two different websites that I've never discussed on this channel before. This is a newly designed strategy, guys. This will rock your world. You can generate $7, $15, $20, or even $30 in free PayPal money repetitively using this technique. The good thing is that you do not need expertise, special equipment, or specific skills, and you wouldn't need any money to do this. This is free and available around the world. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Alright, let's begin with this video right away. The first website you'll need is paypal.com. If you haven't had a PayPal account, you need to have one because that's how you'll be compensated, directly to your PayPal account. It's a free website, guys. It is simple to sign up, so I won't go into detail here. All you have to do is click here and sign up. You enter your personal info very quickly and easily. Everything seems to be perfect, right? I need you to go to Google after you've signed up for your free PayPal account. Continue to follow me and don't get ahead of yourself. Now I'd like you to type adorable dog. I'm going to show you an example that shows what exactly you're going to be doing and how you're going to be able to market these services with no skills and without really having to sell at all while using a free website. I can't just go to Google and take any photo I want because most of these are copyrighted. So what would I do? I'm going to go to a certain button right here, select on Tools, and this will bring up Usage Rights. Click on Usage Rights and then click on this, Creative Commons Licenses. I'm going to click on that and it will bring up all of the photos which I can use as my own without getting a copyright violation. And I can use it commercially or in any other way I want. I'm just doing this as an example, guys, and these aren't the photos you'll be doing. I'm going to be showing you an example of how it all works and how you can get actually paid to your PayPal account. So I'm starting to choose any image here, specifically this one. Alright, so I'm going to click on it and then right click on it once it opens. So I'm going to save this photo and save it to my computer desktop. Here it says the adorable dog and I'm going to click save. Once it is saved on my desktop, here is the second website you'll visit. This website is where you'll earn some money. You'll see the trick here and clearly see how this step-by-step procedure works, and it's extremely simple. It's super simple, just follow along. I would like you to go to a website called removal.ai. This is a newly designed free website that enables you to delete background images, taking a photo and removing the background from it, and I will be showing you where you're going to offer this service, and you can do it in a matter of seconds. Alright, so remember the picture of the adorable dog that I saved to my desktop? I'm going to pull that picture to show you how it works. I'm going to choose a photo right here, click on choose photo, and as you can see, I'm going to select that and then click open, and it will process that image into this removal. Look at this removal AI software. It's instantly doing that already. It's fantastic. I mean, it only takes a couple of seconds. Now I've got a photo of the dog without the background. You can do it with any image, and then you can download it right here and save it to your desktop. Now another example of a free website that I would like to share with you, multiple websites that can do this, perhaps one that performs better than others. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. The other free website that you can use is photoscissors.com. Truly cool stuff here. I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to upload a photo because it's all free, and if you upload a picture right here, I'll find the same image right here. Then that's it. I'm going to click open and there it is. it has a background removal process. This is awesome, right? Here, look at all these presets. Look at the transparent mode. If I desire to see the original, I could switch back. I can always go back to the transparent background, here it is, and all I must do is download it right here onto my computer. Now you have two different excellent free websites that you can use to eliminate background images from photos. You have removal.ai and photoscissors.com. I had shown you clearly how fast it is. It only took seconds to eliminate the background of the image right here. You can generate $7, $15, $20, or even $30 in PayPal money by just eliminating the background of the images. I'd like you to go to a website called Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is another free website for you to check out. Fiverr is a massive freelance marketplace where people can offer their services, like making thumbnails for YouTube videos, doing voiceovers, copyright, or whatever else they do. They also do background removal. Let's take a look at this right here. I'm going to click on it. How much do people charge for background removal? Here's one. This is a level 2 seller, correct? Let's take a look. She provides $5 for background removal. This seller here is also a level 2 seller, providing $5 for background removal. And you also have much more pricey ones with background removal, like this one. I will remove the background from 25 images and replace them with white or transparent backgrounds for $20. This one has 583 reviews. This one has 1,000 plus feedback. And 1,000 feedbacks indicate that at least 1,000 individuals have purchased the services for $5. Guess what? That's $5,000 that this person had earned. And that's exactly what you're trying to do. You're going to create a new account with Fiverr. Click this button right here and be a seller. This is for you and it's free. Simply click on Become a Seller and you begin earning on Fiverr by removing background images. I have shown you two free websites that you can use, removal.ai and photoscissors.com, to delete the background images in under a minute. Users can make $5 repetitively and you simply connect your PayPal account to Fiverr, so it pays you straight into your PayPal account. Also, I'm giving you a bonus site, so go to peopleperhour.com right now. Enter background removal into the search box, and look at all the services here. Remove the background for 25 images. Now look, you can do the same thing. That may seem like a lot, but they're charging $15, so you could charge $10. That is how you're going to get business. You're going to outprice everyone. That's how everyone comes to you. Start creating a profit even though you don't even have any experience or an appearance on all these websites like all these individuals have. These have completed over 680 transactions and this had over 2,300 jobs. You lack that experience. How do you persuade people to use your service? By lowering your price. They charge 25 photos for $10. You can say, I'll do 30 images for $10. That's how you can get your foot in the door. Now, how fast do you believe you can delete an image or background from a photo? You saw how easy it was, completed with removal.ai and photoscissors.com for a split of seconds. So if you did 30 images for someone and charged them $15, and let's say that it takes you 3 minutes or 5 minutes to finish that, well, that's $15 in 5-minute service. So you can keep doing it repeatedly. So if you're doing $15 in 5 minutes, that's $90 in 30 minutes. All you'll have to do now is keep repeating the same thing, removing background images for your customers. An extremely easy way of earning some quick PayPal money again and again. Once more, don't wait too long to grab this opportunity. You can begin doing this on Fiverr or on People Per Hour, or you could do both, which is what a lot of people do. It is an excellent way to begin earning great PayPal money online. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!